So in this presentation, what we're going to do is we're going to combine, we're going to create a variable that combines each of the three, that essentially records which data set it came from. Is it a 1 to 150? Is it a 51 to 500 meters? Or is it 501 to 1 kilometer? We're going to combine all of these data sets together, these three data sets, but we want to sort of create a variable that records which of these data sets it came from originally. So I'm going to call this one A, I'm going to call this one B, and I'm going to call this one C. Okay, A, B, C. Just keep it nice and simple. Okay. So what we're going to do here is let's go to R. So we have just dim Mayo 2. So the 78 cases there. Okay. There is dim 20 Mayo 3. So there was 21 B cases and 55 C cases. Okay, so we want to just sort of combine that into a single variable. Okay, now, so first thing I'm going to do is we're going to call it WellType. Okay, and the levels are A, B, and C. I'm not being terribly original in my thought here. Okay, so in the way of my thinking. So first, the useful command here is nrow. Okay, Mayo 2. Okay, because what might happen is that you might reload Mayo 2, or it gets updated, and there's a certain new amount of cases or something like that, or some more information's been added in. It goes from 78 to 81, let's say. So you don't want to be relying on 78. You want to dynamically pick out the number, the number of cases. Okay. Now, similarly, you can do that for the other two data sets there. Okay. Okay. Now, so far so good. Now, that's just how we will get things set up there. So just keep that in mind, nrow. Okay. Now, what I'm going to show you now is a command called rep. Okay, so just a very straightforward look at what rep does. A. So I have in quotation marks I have A, and it's just a bit of, it's a character, a set of characters A that just gets repeated 4 times. So A just repeats A 4 times. Simple as that. Okay, so you can be a little bit, you can actually create a little vector here. Okay. Okay, so this is a little vector, so it just combines A and B into a single object. Okay, and what we can do is, oops, let's have to do that again. Sorry about that. So it repeats A and B 4 times each. Okay, so AB, 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 AB. We can actually just extend that out a little bit further. There we go. ABC, ABC, ABC. Not what we're looking for here. You know, we want a couple of A's first, then the B's first, then the B's, and then the C's. So what we could do here is just adjust this using each. That's better. We've got 4 A's, 4 B's, and 4 C's. Getting there. Okay. So what we could do here is actually change the number of repetitions for the first one, the second one, the third one. Okay, so I can add in another little vector down here. Okay, I'm going to go 4, 3, 2, just making it up. Okay, 4, 3, 2. Oh, sorry, you don't need that. So don't need the each anymore. Okay. So what this does is 4, 3, and 2. So it gives us 4 A's, 3 B's, and 2 C's. Perfect. We're getting really close now. Okay. So if I was to put in nrow Mayo 2 N row Mayo 3 and N row Mayo 4. We are laughing. Okay, so that looks good. Now, just remember, we don't have to keep track of was there 78 cases or 21 cases or 55, or did it change, or did we add more data. It will automatically detect the correct number of rows here. Okay, so sorry, I'm just going to sort of, let's just bring that back up again. We're going to call that, make that our variable WellType. Okay, perfect. Now let's just check the command table is really useful here. It gives us a little frequency table, 78, 21 and 55. That's exactly what we were expecting. Okay, so it says that there is 78 cases of A, 21 cases of B, and 55 cases of C. So later on we can add this. We're just going to hold this variable till we're ready, because what we want to do now is, so we actually are confident that we can combine our Mayo 2, 3, and 4 and still retain the information about what type of well they were. Okay, so that's it. Yeah, I think that's enough for now on this video.